Airstream has been building the Atlas on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis since 2017, but they've just split the line. The original is now called the 25MS, the Murphy, and this is the new 25RT rear twin. And here's the thing, there are no sliders, zero. So you get all the reliability of a solid shell, but with a layout that feels twice as big. The magic happens the moment you step inside. Instead of shoving the kitchen in the middle, Airstream pushed it all the way forward. It's practically in the cockpit. You've got this huge L-shaped counter with a portable induction cooktop that stows away, giving you acres of space. And that bench seat right there, that, combined with the swiveling cab seats, creates an eat-in kitchen where the cook is actually part of the conversation. Because they moved the kitchen forward, they freed up the middle for something incredible. A true two-room dry bath. That means a dedicated toilet room on one side with a sink and a completely separate shower on the other. No wet bath, no waiting. Your partner can be brushing their teeth while you're showering. In a vehicle this size, that's huge. Out back are the twin beds, 76 inches long, 33 wide. No more climbing over each other at 2 a.m. And between the beds is a nightstand that sits on top of a full-width pass-through storage tunnel. We're talking fishing rods, golf clubs, folding chairs, anything you don't want inside slides right through. Plus, storage under both beds. Now, the price, $289,900. Look, that's not cheap. But compared to the slide-out Atlas at $334,900, it's actually the more affordable way into an Airstream motorhome. For a couple who wants serious luxury, zero slides, and a floor plan that just works, this might be the one. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.